Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to go ahead and show you guys how we can add a new template to our SharePoint site. Templates are great because we can go in here to new and we could add new templates for PowerPoints, Excel, Word, OneNote. Whatever you can think of, we could add a template for it. So what we're going to do in our case is we're going to go ahead and add an Excel spreadsheet template, and it's going to be this one right here for a personal budget. So when we upload this template and users come to the dropdown, they'll have the option to select that template and they can build out their own personal budgets so they're not having to build a spreadsheet from scratch. So to add that template, just come back over to new, come over to add template here at the bottom. From there, you go ahead and select the template or templates from your computer. Then you have to give it a minute to go ahead and upload. We'll get that prompt at the bottom once it's done. Now, once we come back over to new, we have the budget sheet template, and then we can go ahead and have the user click on that. Then the user could start to build out their own personal budgets. Now, it'll automatically add it to the SharePoint site, so the users have the option where they can just go ahead and save it locally and maybe delete it from SharePoint. But oftentimes, these will be templates where you want them to host it on SharePoint. So it makes sense to have a template so that users aren't going off and cowboying their own spreadsheets, and everybody has a different layout and stuff like that. So it's good to keep some uniformity for your different resources on your SharePoint site. And if you ever wanted to remove these different templates or maybe hide some of the existing templates that are on here, or these different options on here, if you just come over to edit new menu and then come over to the ellipsis, and there's going to be a delete option.